Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cleaning our makeup brushes and our blenders. The shampoo that I am using to do this is linked in the description box, and this is it right here. However, you are more than welcome to use whatever shampoo you have. To start us off, you will fill your tub or a bucket or whatever you'll be using to wash your brushes and blenders with lukewarm water, and then after that you will put in some shampoo in the water. Straight after, you will just throw all your brushes in this water and make sure that they are all evenly spread out and have enough water. Now, the process that you will be using to clean your brushes is that you will be cleaning them individually in this manner. You'll be spraying a little bit of the shampoo on your palm and then just basically twist and turn using your fingers, your palm to clean the brush. This process is going to be used to clean each and every brush individually, and also depending on how much product you have on your brushes. If you have too much product on your brushes like mine, you may do this process over and over again on one brush until the brush is squeaky clean. Also, of course, pay in mind my brushes are being washed for the very first time, so there's going to be a lot of product on them. Again, if your brushes have a lot of product like mine, you may want to change your water, drain the one that you have because it can get quite thick and dirty, and throw in some new fresh water to finish the process with other brushes. Once you've individually washed all your brushes, you may then just rinse it off with running water. It can be cold or lukewarm water. In preparation of a drying place, preferably use a towel, and you may want to fold it a couple of times at one end in order for the brushes to stay at an angle to dry off. Once you have your towel prepared, you just going to place each and every brush at an angle. Make sure that the brush points are facing downwards. This is to assist with draining all the water that is placed on the brushes. Once that is done, you may then leave your brushes to dry. For the blenders, we also have a very simple procedure. You just want to make each and every sponge get enough water, and thereafter have a lot of shampoo on your palm and just sort of kind of like drain each sponge in the shampoo and make sure that it has a lot of shampoo, especially if your blenders have a lot of product, again, such as mine have a lot of product, have a lot of concealer and a lot of foundation on it. So you might want to make sure that the shampoo is evenly spread on each sponge so it cleans out properly. Thereafter, we are going to just drench some more shampoo on it. Again, my sponges have a lot of product, so just spray a lot of shampoo on it, and to soak it off, use boiling hot water. I had to use my kettle because the geyser water was just not hot enough. And this is how your blenders will look. Obviously, they're not going to be brand new, but they're going to look brand new and feel brand new because they're so soft and they smell great. This brings us to the end of our video. If you have tried this method or have a different method, please do share on the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you love this video. Also, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.